Imagine this. You've been grinding, saving, making sacrifices, and now you're ready to invest. But here's the real question. Where should you put your money in 2024? Cryptocurrency or the stock market? Wrong choice could cost you big time. Right one? It could change your life forever. Crypto is like the Wild West of finance, untamed, full of opportunities, and just as dangerous. Meanwhile, the stock market has been a trusted, steady ride for decades. But can it keep up with the fast-paced digital revolution? Yep, that's the question every future millionaire is asking. Let's answer it today. And trust me, you'll want to stick around until the end because the decision is more urgent than you think. Let's break it down. The stock market, our old, reliable friend. It's backed by real companies producing real products. Tesla, Apple, Amazon. These are giants that, in the long run, have proven their ability to generate returns. Sure, there are dips, but with over 100 years of history, it's hard to deny that consistency. But hey, it's also slow sometimes. Investing in the stock market can feel like watching grass grow. Ever tried watching grass grow? Not the most exciting thing. Now let's flip to crypto. Bitcoin, Ethereum, Solana. These names are the digital rebels of finance. The gains in the crypto world can be insane. People are making life-changing money overnight. But it's also a battlefield. One minute your portfolio's up 50% and the next, poof, it's vanished. Regulation is still catching up. And while the rewards are tempting, the risks are just as real. And in 2024, that risk, it's about to increase even more. Governments are cracking down on unregulated exchanges. Big corporations are pushing into crypto with their own coins. The market? It's changing fast, and you don't want to be left behind. So, what do? Do you stick with the safety of stocks or dive headfirst into the crypto wave? What if I told you the answer is neither? The real answer is balance. Diversification. In 2024, the wealthiest people won't have all their money in one place. They'll play the long game with stocks, investing in strong, future-proof companies. But they'll also take strategic risks in the crypto world, seizing opportunities where the upside is too good to ignore. Time is ticking. 2024 is running fast. Will you be ready to seize it? Now here's the real kicker. What you invest in, and when you invest, could make all the difference in your financial future. Are you ready to unlock the strategies to build wealth in 2024? Because in my next video, I'm revealing the top 5 stocks and cryptos that could explode this year. And trust me, you don't want to miss it. Or you could just, keep watching Wealth Journey. Your choice. Hit that subscribe button and let's make 2024 the year you take control of your financial future.